Can we just have a moment of silence for the slay that's about to happen in this video today? Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video, and y'all, this unit looks fire. Like I always say, but I'm dead serious because you guys can see right now that it's giving all the vibes. So I want to start off by thanking RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's video, and I also want to say happy 16th anniversary to the company. You guys know I've been working with this company for a long time. I wasn't like the first person to work with this company, but I came maybe like 2 or 3 years later when the company started rolling through. Now along the years, they've definitely have improved their units, and I know a lot of you guys complain about the price and stuff like that, but there is not one company on the market that's going to give you a styled unit for the prices that they have. Now when I mean styled, bleached, tweezed, perfect hair quality, adjustable strap, everything is already done, guys. So these are literally straight out of the box units. So I don't know what other company got hands on this company, but this company literally, you can find a very nice, solid, ready to go, ready to install type of unit that's already colored, bleach, tweezed, everything that you need, guys. A complete unit for the most affordable price. So the unit that was sent to me, guys, is the unit Wigs by Cherie 026. So this is the style right here. So this is kind of like the layered feathered bang look. It's 200% density, which I freaking love about this company, and this unit is 20 inches long. So you guys can see the length on this one. Very nice. Now this was a same day install, guys, so everything, like I said, came perfection. Very easy install, guys. I will show you guys all the products that I use in today's video. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. I do show you guys a little bit of a curling style so you guys can kind of see how I just, buff the wig up once I put it on. It did come to me already curled, but I wanted just to add a little bit of an oomph to it. So this is the oomph. So like I said, it's the same day install, a very quick install, guys. Very minimal work for my amateurs out there. You can handle this wig. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the install part. pretty much easy as you guys saw. I kept it very simple with this unit. Like I said, straight out of the box, the unit came prepared to put on. I did not bleach this unit. I did not tweeze this unit. I did nothing whatsoever to this unit, guys, and it looks so pretty. Obviously, I did go ahead and show you guys me touching up the curls just to show you guys that the hair curls lovely. Now, one thing about this hair, I did go ahead and use my hairspray. The overall hairspray that I use is the Even Wonderlace hairspray just to kind of keep the curls in place. And you guys can see the curls still look absolutely gorgeous. They're holding their shape and their form, and the hair just looks so fluffy, guys, and full. Now, I'm always worried about curtain bangs from companies, but these curtain bangs are cut perfect. They land at the right area. I was afraid because when I first got them, they're just flapping all over the place, but you're gonna have to curl it up and kind of build structure with the layered bangs in the front, guys. But after doing all the adjustments, the unit looks flawless AF. Now, the color combination, this nice kind of like chocolate brown ombre tip at the front here and also at the ends, just looks so cute, guys. It's a very nice kind of spring summer look, guys. I know some of you guys out there don't like to try those kind of nice, powerful blonde colors, and you're not comfortable with trying colors in general. So if you want to step into color, this is the perfect style to do. Just because it's an ombre, it's not highlight, so it's ombre, so it's giving you just a little taste of color. So you guys can see, absolutely stunning. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. But shout out to RPGSHOW wigs, guys. They have really stepped their cookies up when it comes to wigs. I know a lot of you guys complain about the price, but you cannot complain about a wig that comes to you this freaking amazing, straight out the box. Hair is lovely. Like, if you literally had to go somewhere real quick and you purchase a unit, you'll take it out the box, guys, install it. I didn't have to cut the ear tabs. I didn't have to adjust anything. It literally landed perfect, guys. Like, so nice. With this one, I did no baby hair magic just because I wanted you guys to see the natural hairline and how realistic it looks. So I just opted out of the baby hair magic or anything like that. So on both sides, there is no baby hair magic, just very fresh and natural laid. So you guys kind of get the whole effect. Baby hair is just cute or whatever, but when you're going for like a classy kind of like, you know, sassy style like this, very nice and full, Victoria's Secret style, sexy, baby hairs are not necessary. You don't need to do two little swings in the front right here. That is just not necessary, guys. So let your girl know what you think about this unit. I am an absolutely oohs and ahs about this one. Like I said, happy 16th anniversary to RPGSHOW wigs. This wig is lovely. I know you guys complain about the price, but they definitely have a sale going on right now, a coupon code for their 16th anniversary. So make sure you guys go ahead and make your purchases. If you're someone that's going to want to invest in an affordable unit, well, invest in a unit that's seemingly affordable in my opinion, because people be out here charging thousands of dollars for units, and this unit is like $500. Add that coupon code on and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a quality unit that's going to last, quality hair, quality everything, hair that curls, styled perfectly, it came styled and everything, guys, color and all, I am telling you guys to purchase this unit or purchase any unit from this company. It also comes with an adjustable strap if I did not mention that already. Just love it. So I will leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit or any unit from rpgshowwig.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.